Hey there, Herbie fam! Today, we're diving into the world of superfruits that will detox your kidneys deliciously. We're talking about giving your body the ultimate cleanse with the power of nature. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna explore 5 incredible fruits that are not only tasty, but also pack a punch when it comes to keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Get ready for some juicy facts, delicious recipes, and maybe even a few explosions along the way. Just kidding. Or am I? Get ready to transform your body into a toxin-flushing machine. Let's get started. First up, we've got the all-star, the heavy hitter, the champion of kidney health, the blueberry. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, those awesome compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. We're talking about a full-on superhero squad protecting your kidneys from damage. And guess what? Blueberries aren't just good for your kidneys, they're delicious too. You can eat them straight up, toss them in a smoothie, or even bake them into a healthy dessert. My personal favorite? A blueberry and spinach smoothie with a scoop of protein powder. It's the perfect way to start your day. But hold on, there's more. Blueberries are also known to help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. That's right, these tiny fruits are like little ninjas, fighting off infections and keeping your urinary system squeaky clean. No more embarrassing trips to the doctor for you. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab an extra container or 5 of blueberries. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Next up, we've got the reigning champion of urinary tract health, the one and only cranberry. You know them, you love them, especially around Thanksgiving. But did you know that cranberries are like the ultimate bouncers for your kidneys? They're here to keep those pesky UTIs out. Cranberries contain a special ingredient called proanthocyanidins, which basically act like a slippery barrier against bacteria. Imagine trying to climb a slide covered in oil. That's what it's like for bacteria trying to latch onto your urinary tract when you're loaded up on cranberries. But the benefits don't stop there. Cranberries are also packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. A strong immune system means your body is better equipped to fight off infections, including those that can affect your kidneys. So, ditch the sugary cranberry juice cocktails and go for the real deal. 100% cranberry juice. It might be a bit tart, so feel free to dilute it with some water or add a natural sweetener. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Moving on to a fruit that's practically royalty in the health world, the mighty apple. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and guess what? It's true for your kidneys too. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, which is like a scrub brush for your digestive system. It helps keep things moving along smoothly, preventing constipation and reducing the strain on your kidneys. Think of it like this: a happy gut equals happy kidneys. But wait, there's more. Apples are also packed with a special type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, which is great news for your overall heart health. And your kidneys will definitely thank you for keeping your ticker in tip-top shape. So, go ahead, grab yourself a delicious, crunchy apple, or 2 or 3. Bonus points for choosing organic apples to avoid any unwanted pesticides. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you for it. Get ready for a berrylicious adventure with the star of the show, the strawberry. These juicy red gems aren't just bursting with flavor, they're also packed with nutrients that can benefit your kidneys in a major way. First off, strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, which we already know are like little superheroes fighting off those nasty free radicals. But here's the thing. Strawberries contain a specific type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant red color and their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, including your kidneys. By adding strawberries to your diet, you're basically giving your body a powerful weapon to combat inflammation and keep those kidneys healthy and happy. And guess what? Strawberries are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, on top of yogurt, or even dipped in chocolate. Hey, we're all about balance here. So get creative and enjoy the sweet, juicy goodness of strawberries while giving your kidneys some love. Last but not least, we've got the ultimate summer fruit, the king of hydration, the one and only watermelon. This juicy melon is like a tall glass of water for your kidneys, helping to flush out toxins and keep things running smoothly. Watermelon gets its name for a reason. It's made up of over 90% water. And we all know that staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, especially for your kidneys. When you're properly hydrated, your kidneys can more easily filter out waste products and excess fluids, preventing those nasty things from building up and causing problems. But watermelon isn't just about hydration. It's also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including kidney cancer. So not only are you hydrating your kidneys with every juicy bite, but you're also giving them an extra layer of protection against potential health problems. So next time you're looking for a refreshing and hydrating snack, reach for a slice of watermelon. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you for it. So, there you have it. The 5 superfruits that will detox your kidneys deliciously. Now you're armed with the knowledge of 5 superfruits that will have your kidneys singing your praises. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall health, and incorporating these delicious fruits into your diet is a simple and enjoyable way to show your kidneys some love. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time, Herbie fam.